शिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis from around the world who are sitting with us at this moment, at least in 175 places through NTV and 7 places through two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha in 92 cities in 16 countries. Cities having Nayana Diksha are Seattle, Singapore, Phoenix, Los Angeles, Ohio, San Jose, Oman. Let's enter into today's satsang. As I said yesterday, I am doing thorough research, getting the original sutras and scanning it before presenting it to you all. About the truth of having extraordinary powers and siddhis by birth, janma. Patanjali says, by birth and by medicines or by mantra, sound, or by tapa, austerity, or by samadhi, the extraordinary siddhis can be achieved. Powers and experiences and kaivalya can be achieved. Understand the sutra. As I said, the 5 methods Patanjali is teaching us. I am doing some more work, research work, so that when I speak on this Janma concept, that can become a complete pregnancy course. So after I do a little bit of research work and conscious scanning, I'll speak on that subject. Now I'll move to the next sutra. Subject, natural evolution, 164th sutra, in the 4th chapter, 2nd verse. Jati antara parinamaha prakriti apurat. Apurat. Jati antara parinama prakriti apurat. Swami Vivekananda translates this sutra as, the change into another species is affected by the filling of nature. Swami Prabhavananda translates as, the transformation of one species into another is caused by the inflowing of nature. Swami Sachidananda translates as, the transformation of one species into another is brought about by the inflow of nature. Bhagavan Osho translates as, the transformation from one class, species, or kind into another is by the overflow of natural tendencies or potentialities. Jati antara parinama prakritya purat. The sacred secret in the sutra you need to understand is, by nature, constantly you are evolving into another species. how monkey has evolved into human beings in some human bodies, man is evolving as a superman, enlightened being. All you need to do is allow the natural flow. Please understand, the sacred secret in the sutra is allow the natural flow. You will become an extraordinary human being. When Patanjali says allow the natural flow, what he means, there is a thick blanket of silence in you. Please understand. There is a thick blanket of silence. Sometime when you are all by yourself, even internally, relaxed, a thick blanket of silence covers you, overpowers you. That thick blanket of silence is nature. Please understand. When you are levitating, just internally look what is happening. You will see the thick blanket of silence. Or even otherwise, when you sit in unclutching, in half an hour, you will be covered by a thick blanket of silence. All of you carry the thick blanket of silence in you. The first dress you wear, your consciousness wears, is the thick blanket of silence. By the nature, that blanket of silence, what is addressed as Mauna by Ramana Maharshi and Adi Shankara, Upanishads describe this blanket of silence as beyond the mind, where the vak loses its function. The ability to function is lost by vak. That space is what I describe, the blanket of silence. I tell you, meditate on that silence, like Dakshinamurti's inner space. Intense silence, vibrant silence. Ramana Maharshi says very beautifully, even if you meditate on the extraordinary silence of the sky, not only enlightenment, even the extraordinary powers will come to you. Siddhis will happen in you. Meditate on the silence of Dakshinamurti. You will exactly feel like, oh, this whole world is a small dream. You can change and do as you want. I am not even changing, it is happening. Change has started happening. Meditate on that intense silence where the mind and words loses its power, you will allow the natural enlightenment to happen in you. You don't even need to create that silence. You don't even need to meditate on it. You just allow it. It is there. The thick blanket of silence. Your consciousness is wearing it. It is there. Allow it. So I leave you with this one samyama. Try this samyama today. Send me your homework report. After trying, what you exactly feel. Samyama on the intense, vibrant silence which is in all of you. You will suddenly see the natural enlightenment, the spontaneous enlightenment, a natural evolving process from human to superhuman will happen in you. I bless you all for sitting with us around the world, at least in 306 places through NTV and 7 places video conferencing in 105 cities in 17 countries. I bless you all to achieve, experience, live, express, radiate and share the eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.